Organize your life. In the midst of chaos, there lies a gift of time. Time for self-reflection, thoughts, and rewards. There's literally no better time to do this than now. During this lockdown, you got this. They say, for every minute spent organizing, an hour is earned. Organizing is about efficiency, reducing stress, clutter, saving time and money, and improving the quality of your life. It's not about perfection. The ball is in your court. However, some balls will hit the ground. Hence, it's important to recollect for the sake of balance. Less juggling, more living. Life has an unpredictable turns. Thus, a little planning goes a long way. 3 ways to organize your life. Organize your life mentally, organize your space, and organize your days. Organize your life mentally. Firstly, you need to acknowledge the cause and decide to change it. Then, write everything down. Free your mind, journal. Stop procrastinating. Make a decision to eat the frog. In like 5 seconds, make a decision. Set a timer for 20 minutes each task and take breaks in between 5 to 10 minutes. Don't overwhelm yourself. Delegate and ask for help. Avoid distractions. Declutter your phone. Delete apps you don't need or use. Delete old pictures, duplicated pictures, pictures of your exes even. Delete. Videos. Create albums and save to the drive or save to Dropbox. To create space, update your phone. Use airplane mode when busy with important stuff. Allow your mind to breathe from social media. It's important. Focus on one thing at a time. Limit multitasking. Then, last thing that you need to do is to practice meditation in order to get in sync with your mind, clear your head. Then, organize your space. Declutter your space. Get rid of everything you don't need or want. The unnecessary items, things that are no longer useful, clothes, books, equipment, broken stuff, anything. Pile them accordingly. Items to be deleted, items to be sold, and even items to be thrown out. Find a place to place everything that's remaining. The items that are of value to you, currently useful, you can place them in baskets, cupboards. At the end of the day, there shouldn't be anything lying around. Then, label everything. Spring cleaning. Every part of your living space, every room. Do those chores you've been putting off for so long. Laundry, dishes, packing clothes, books. Rearrange furniture for your convenience. Then, also maintain hygiene. Clean your space. In order for you not to go back to square one, you need to put things back where they belong. And don't buy unnecessary stuff and keep your space clean. Maintain hygiene. It's important. Lastly, organize your days. So now, you need to prioritize your life. Know what's important to you and what's not. Create a to-do list, a list of your current priorities. You can still get a planner for the months ahead, so you can reschedule your current plans for later in the year. Add to your calendar new dates for important meetings and deadlines. Set reminders. Limit multitasking. Do one important thing at a time. You got this. Look on the bright side. You are alive and well, blessed and highly favored. You are recharged and energized for the next phase in your life. So keep the faith. Transform your life one step at a time.